Welcome to Department Management on Everything DiSC on Catalyst. Everything DiSC on Catalyst learners are grouped by their EPIC administrator according to their organization. This grouping allows learners within the same organization to see one another and compare DiSC style information on their Your Colleagues page. To help learners find the colleagues they interact with on a daily basis, each learner identifies their department when they create their Catalyst account. From there, learners can filter by department on this Your Colleagues page. Let's explore the ways you, as an EPIC administrator, can edit departments to ensure your learners can get the most out of this interactive feature. In EPIC, you will see the organizations you've sent Catalyst access codes to under Manage Your Account, Manage My Organizations. You'll see the departments associated with the organization after selecting the plus sign. The number of learners in each department is in parentheses. Because some organizations have access codes from more than one EPIC account, you might see departments that look unfamiliar. Our recommendation is that you are aligned with your learners before making any changes to maintain accuracy. If you need to add a department, click Add Department, enter the name of the new department, and click Add Department to save it. The department will be created in Catalyst for a learner to select. To rename a department or edit a department name, click Edit next to the department. Enter the new name, then click Rename Department to save. Again, the new name will update in Catalyst. If a department does not have any learners assigned to it, a delete option will be next to it. You can click Delete and a confirmation message will appear. Click Cancel to return to the Manage My Organizations page, or click OK to delete it. The deleted department will be removed from the Learners Catalyst platforms. Lastly, you can transfer learners to different departments. This option only appears if there is one or more learners in the department. Selecting this option allows you as the EPIC administrator to move these learners to a different department within the organization. Simply select Transfer Learners, and then select the department you want to move them all to. Next, click Transfer Learners. You'll then see a confirmation message toward the top of your screen when it's completed. One last quick reminder. Learners can click on their name in their Catalyst profile and change their department here anytime. Thank you for learning more about how you, as an EPIC administrator, can manage departments to ensure your learners are getting the most out of their Everything DiSC on Catalyst experience.